You can see the emergency equipment is entering the field. It had surrounded the runway. It's coming at the plane from all sides. We've got the captain, we've got 2 foamers, a fire truck. There's another foamer, and I see the emergency stairs are there in case they need to evacuate anyone. We're not sure what the issue is at this time. This Boeing 767-200 is operated by ABX Air. It was on flight ABX 2000 from Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky to New York's JFK Airport. It's a regular flight for ABX. The plane departed Cincinnati at approximately 8 p.m. and the emergency landing took place at 8:12 p.m. The plane departed on runway 27, which was the active departure runway. The active approach and landing runway is 36 right. But the plane basically did a large pattern left hand, climbing to an altitude of 5,000 feet and then coming back in on 27. Emergency equipment had been deployed several minutes in advance of the incident, and a American Embraer had departed runway 27 about a minute before the plane arrived. It appears they've been examining some hydraulic systems, people walking around looking at the gear. They've also moved the spoilers and the flaps, but we still don't know what the issue is. The emergency stairway has been deployed near to, but hasn't been taken to the door of the plane.
It's probably right there.
So I don't think anyone has exited, which means it's probably not a medical emergency.
Maybe that one's
The emergency gear is now pulling off the runway. I do not see a tow tractor, so it appears that they are going to try to taxi the aircraft under its own power. Yes, the plane is taxiing back to the DHL freight area where ABX normally operates. Life goes on. That's the 787 flight from London that just landed. If you notice, trailing behind this 767 is all of the emergency equipment. The sound of families in the background are at the CVG airplane viewing area, which was packed tonight. It had been closed for a couple of days, and there's always a big crowd when the Dreamliner arrives from London.
Well, we can't go on that side.
We'll update if we learn more. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.